joining from one of our One Alliance partners. May I remind you all to keep your seatbelts fastened whenever you are seated, and they must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt signs are on. When opening any overhead lockers today, please do take care as items may have moved and could fall out, causing injury. If you are seated in our Club World cabin, please take care of your personal electronic device when adjusting your seat. If your device does get lost,